Hello everybody, I'm Adrian and here I got my C7 Corvette. So today I'm gonna be doing a Seafoam intake cleaning. So the thing about this car is that it's direct injected. So unlike my other cars that are multi-port, so this one has the injectors inside the combustion chamber. So they tend to be easier for valve deposits to accumulate, because unlike the multi-port injections, you got the fuel spraying at the back of the intake valves, so kind of helps clean them out. But that's not the case on the C7 Corvettes. So I had done this type of cleaning a while back when I had like 20,000 miles. So this car now has 49,000 miles. So I'm kind of curious how dirty it'll be. So this is the can that I'm using, Seafoam. So I got the little bendy straw, so I will unbolt my intake pipe or throttle pipe, and then slide it in there, have the car running. I'll have somebody revving up the engine while I spray this can. And if it's really dirty, we should see a lot of white smoke at the tailpipe. So gonna start loosening this up so that I can slide this in here. So I was reading through the directions, and after we're done, we gotta apply spirited acceleration when safe to burn off hydrocarbon residues. So you got to take it on a drive, so give some engine load to burn off the remaining residue. So I'm fixing to get started. Alrighty, so I tighten this back up, and I didn't spray the full can, maybe 2/3, just because I wasn't really seeing black smoke, or white smoke I should say. I think the engine's probably decently cleaned. If not, we would have probably seen a lot of smoke. It says to let it soak for about 10 minutes and then take it for a spirited drive, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alrighty, so let's go on a drive now. It's been about 10 minutes. I really like, one of my favorite things about this car is that it's a manual. I just love working it through the gears. I am getting the CO6 though, but I still can't see myself letting go of this one, so I am gonna keep this car. But just because just a manual, it's just a different driving experience. But I do got a deposit on the CO6. I'm really looking forward to that car. I think the performance is gonna be amazing. So, but yeah, anyways, I was just doing a quick little video on doing Seafoam on this thing. And thanks for watching.